Hello everyone, I'm Kos Panagiotakis. I want to apologize for something. I was very rude and unkind to Mr. Sindar and Stuart Anderson, the inventors of automatic honey extraction mechanisms with vertical honeycombs. Well, I tried a little bit more and I found some pictures about their invention in US patent, and I must say that it's a very clever invention, and I'm asking sorry that I was rude to them. So I congratulations to them, and I wish them the best. Well, for the time just this, I'm waiting to see more pictures about their invention. And I'm asking sorry again for being rude and unkind to them. It's a very clever invention. And I wish them good luck. Thank you very much. Bye bye.